Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Got the Mojo Show special for you today. Unbelievable. I got the Bitcoin rally hack going too. Check this out. Main screen. Nope, bubble snare ain't there. I'll take his camera off. Oh, do we have a great day. Let me show you what goes on. Starting off with Mr. You Guys right here at $31.39, which we own at $30.88. And I knew that thing was coming down today. This is where we just bought it last. Right here. At, see that red bar? 30.63. On the bottom right there, that's where we bought it. Let me show you. Scoot on over to the Mojo room. And this is where we traded it. Right here, see? 30.90. I had some left. So right here, the last trade on Mr. You Guys, 31.07. This is the DWT. Did this incredible move from the bottom down here. I call it the shining trade play. And it made its way from all these people that owned it and got sucked out here. It made its way right back up and did great. And here's the dump on natural gas. This is the came back down to this line. And we started buying at 30.90. AMRS, we're in 84.85. You Guys, 30.88. I don't think there's any other day trading rooms in the business that got the Amyris and these stocks down here. Here's the move on You Guys. See the natural gas? I track natural gas in tangent with the trade on You Guys. And here's the trade on You Guys right at the bottom at 30.86 to make the move right back up right here, which it did. See the move straight down. We bought the dip. Now a green bar is going to come in. Watch. See the first green bar? Oh, this is Amyris. We're in Amyris again right here. 115. It made its move. So you got the first bar, you got the second bar, you got the third bar right there. And then it continues. You got a spike up, and then You Guys reacts with it. And I got 200 left at 84. And it makes a nice move up right there. Sold from 30.77, sold through 31. There's the move. Beautiful move back up on natural gas right there. Beautiful. Let me show you AMRS. If you watched my video from 2 days ago, it's all I talk about is GVO and AMRS. AMRS. See, in at 423. In. We're in. We're in a lot lower. So the other day right here, great small cap energy stocks. Amyris, AMTX, HYGS, and GVO. Amyris and AMTX are both newbies that we're going to be buying up. Amyris nuts, GVO must Amyris is 343. See, Amyris, Shiner, Amyris. It went to 264. Watch, and they sucked everyone out, and then it went up to 330. Okay. So Amyris right here. If we go to the 15-minute chart, you can see the suck out on this red bar, 268. Stock went up to 330, settled, went up here, settled again, and boom. This is the 15-minute chart right there. So that's Amyris. Picked it right here at $3. Right here, see it? Boom. Hedge funds are crazy about Amyris on December 23rd. See that? All my research on Amyris. Amyris up pre, they do the same as, and this was last Thursday at 8:03. The last Thursday, viewers on Amyris, which right now today is traded 45 million shares, and it's right here in this big spike. What we were doing. Next one that's going to make a move, Gevo could make a move up there, but it's waiting on news as well. The next one that looks really good is this one, UXIN. Look at the base across the board, and it's ready for the repeat to come up out of the base. So you got very low risk and very, very high reward. And if you look at the weekly, this was an IPO right here at 10.49. It's ready to make its move back up. So I'm going to give this out. This is the everything on it. All that. I'm going to send it out as a swing pick. Right here with the date and the timestamp. I like this one. And they're like they're a very large company doing very large stuff. People got burned. There's some lawsuits out in it because the people got burned up there at 9 and the thing, they must have done some whatever, and always happens. Par for the course. Absolutely. Where is that one? I also like MNGA because it was up big the other day, right here. MNGA was up nicely right here the other day on this news to 589. It's 273. I like MNGA. Little rebound curl back up. Love that one. So these ones that don't have a lot of risk but have a lot of reward because they were just there and they're down on people that are bag holding and got bad pricing and profit taking. That's what they're there on. Same thing like dry ships yesterday up at 519 and 520. The people that bought this at 5, they brought you back down to 5. It's just a cat and mouse game back up and down. That's all it is. But you got to be positioned first, like in Amyris and Gevo. We were in MNGA. We were in CEI last 2 weeks ago. And now I think this is the next one that makes a move, is this UXIN. You got very low risk and you got a lot of reward. If the stock goes above right here, see these 3 bars? Look at the support. All in here. Look, see, it's all like 340. Well, 338. Come back all the way back here. 325 to 370. 38. You know, this is the beautiful range. 340 to 4. 313 to 340. 350 to 390. 320 to 370. So right in here, it's a sweet spot for it. So I like, and it used to be an IPO back up at right here, so it's ready to make its move. There was similar IPOs like DGLY, which I played recently, made a big move up, and you could see the weekly on this back up here. This was like an IPO back up that didn't do it, came all the way down. Now it's starting to make its move back up. DGLY. They're all like zebras. When one does it, the other zebra is going to do it. So it's just a zebra. They all got the same stripes, do the same patterns. What else we got going on in Mr. YouTube? We got Crone. Magnificent shorting done on Crone yesterday in the Mojo room. And this morning at $24 and change. $25. I shorted Crony baloney. Let's find it in the room. Those were some good shorts. Hey, Bobo. So if we head over to the main screen, Chrome was in a free fall yesterday, and I shorted at Amyris. We're getting in at 427. Let me show you the Mojo room. Amyris, we're getting in at 427. This was Chrome yesterday. See Amyris right here. You guys yesterday, 30.89 to 31.50. Big trades. We've been trading you guys tremendously. So here's the morning right here. Where is it? It's 9:16. Boom, boom, boom. Here we go. Short at 7:21 a.m. I shorted at 24.48. The high of the day is 23.96. I shorted it at 24.38. 1,000 or so shares. Stock dumped to 20 bucks from that short at 9 from 7:14 in the morning. Look at the dump that Chrome did. Look at the stick down this morning. Right here. So it opened up this morning up here and it dove down all the way to 2065. Let's see if my numbers are right. 2056. I had it the 5 and the 6 reversed, but I was pretty close. What else we got? Affadog at 11.95. See the high is 10.89. It's going to short it at 11.95. You're like, dude, it's not 11.95, but it was this morning. Check it out. AFA 11.90, Chrome 24.50, CGC 50.50, ACB 8.48. See that? I shorted Chrome at 24.48, covered last 24.07. It's now 23.45 in 5 minutes. Okay, here's my notes from this morning. I shorted Chrome at 24.48, covered at for 50 cents. You guys at 24 overnight at 30.86. I woke up, I was down $2,000. It was 30.05. Then when I woke back up, it was 31 and change, and I sold it up into 31.45. Look, Chrome on the bottom. See? Chrome 22.80 now. I shorted at 24.35. Damn, you guys 31.80. I had it at 31. But it went to 30.50 in the pre-market. So I woke up, I was down $2,000. It was at 30.05. I'm like, shit. I'll go back to sleep. Right here. This is this morning right here. See this red tick? 30.05 down here. Look, see? 30.05. I'm like, shit. I'm down $2,000. I go back to sleep. I wake up. It's right here. I'm like, damn. I'm selling it. I'm out. It goes down a little bit again, back to 30. I'm like, dude, I did great. And then all of a sudden, the fucking thing takes off to 31.94. I mean, if it didn't do that dip down, $2,000. When you go from here back to, that's like making $2,000. If you're $2,000, you're up $2,000. Then you take a loss, you're down $2,000. You're gonna need another stock or a trade to make that back. So it's the same kind of thing. I made it back, and then the fucking thing went higher. Spit on me. But here's the Chrome trade right here. Look at this. This is the Cupid top on Chrome at 24 that I did right into this bar, into that red bar, and then boom, covered up into this bar, and then it went boom, 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 boom. See that? That was an amazing one. And then AMRS, see it? $4 and right here up 95 cents at $4. Now it's $5.50. See, 450. AMRS right there, heading through 450. It's It's amazing. And we got it right off the stopping station, 407. You guys making a move. Look at that, you guys. Back to the main screen. 31.49. And my phone's dead. Every day my phone dies. Every single day. They need a phone that has like a little thing on the side right here that I could slide off and slide on. A little like circular like battery along. I just take this battery off and click in another one, man. Bullshit with this fucking battery. I hate him. What's up, Bobo? Come on in, buddy. So I'm all about the Bitcoin today. That's why I got my Bitcoin hat. I think Bitcoin's gonna make a move. And I got my socks. I think GBTC is a good buy right here at 30.90. You see this GBTC? It's down. Waiting for it. Usually goes up to $5. And I think if this makes a move right here, look, a little crippy. Bitcoin. Into the Coinbase chart. So you could see in the last little bit, it's up 5.9 points. It's starting to make a little trend higher right here. You see this? So tomorrow, in the last hour, it's flat, but in the last 24, it's going to start to make a move up. In the last week, it's been in this little, I think it makes and heads to the 34.69 and crests 3,500. You could see in the last month, it's down 15%. We're in a nice base here. I think we pop right back up and test this level of 3,500 on Bitcoin. And if that happens, this stock, GBTC, they own a lot of Bitcoin, a couple 100,000. Oh, yeah. How many BTC does GBTC own? I like GBT. It's Bitcoin BTC with the GB. So right here, Bitcoin Trust currently does not option. Here we go. They own each share currently represents 0.092 Bitcoin. Okay, so if you own 1,000 shares, you're owning like a contract that represents Bitcoin. They have 177,000 Bitcoins as of January 29th. So could you imagine if Bitcoin goes to 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, this stock will go back through the roof. Look what it did last time. Images. GBTC, we go to Yahoo. Look at this chart on GBTC. Right here. So it made a spike right here to $43.33 on the last couple. Here it made a spike to 22. It was actually a lot larger. It did like a split or something. I think so, maybe. I thought it went higher. Well, that was another one. Oh yeah, that was CRCW. So GBTC, they're real deal. They own, Bitcoin. Which one's better, Bitcoin or Bitcoin? Same thing. Which is a better buy, Bitcoin Investment Trust or Bitcoin? The largest cryptocurrency in the world has delivered dismal results since peaking to 20,000. It's lost 82%. However, there's still a valid long-term investment case to be made. Experts believe that Bitcoin will be adopted, could become rich, and as I wrote in this article, it's a nice pick. Obviously, This is a simplified version of Bitcoin. However, what your reason you want to buy it, Bitcoin's speculative, we know that. What is in early 19, the SEC has yet to approve a single Bitcoin ETF. So people who want to own Bitcoin but don't want to actually direct to rather limited options. In fact, the closest thing to an Bitcoin ETF is the Bitcoin Investment Trust. It's a company, not an ETF, that owns Bitcoins, and shares of the company are traded in the public. In other words, shareholders of Bitcoin Investment Trust effectively own the company's Bitcoins, as they're made up of virtually all its assets. I like it. There's two main downsides of the Bitcoin. Obviously, you can buying it and Bitcoin goes down. It's directly related to it, so that's why it's not doing anything, because Bitcoin's not. So that's why it's a good time to buy. First is the ongoing management, and they manage 2% a year. Big deal, big deal. At least the information, the share represents that much Bitcoin. That's fine. Bitcoin, if it trades for 420, no, it doesn't. It trades for 380. That's why I like it. 380 is better than freaking 420. Bitcoin's trade for 35. I see. If it goes to 35.88, this stock will be worth 420. There it is. Writing down in my journal. I made 36 hundo today. That's nice. Let's see. We got you own GBTC. They have 177,000 BTC, and at 420 it was 3,588. See my notes, what I do with my notes. See, I'm up 36.17, I'm up 36.52 for the day. GBT 177,000 of them they got, and it's at 420. Bitcoin's at 35.88. See that? And Bitcoin's trade, multiplying the factor in the last pair shows an asset value of approximately 355. An asset value of that stock. I like that. They traded a hefty, but they've traded at much more, especially when it rises. That's nice. Let's see how many shares are short and stuff. Is BTSC up? Ooh, look, Bitcoin Services is up 3.4%. See? See? This one's going to pop too. Bitcoin Services at 0.002, at 02 cents. This thing I traded to 60 cents before. So let's look at GBTC profile. We know that. Analysis. There's no analyses on it. Options. No option. Any holders? No holders. Any conversations? New milestone to look for. Sub 3. Yeah, this guy's a bear. All right. So let's see. Statistics. Shows you the shares and the float, non-share. It doesn't show it. Short interest. NASDAQ. Look, the last time ANFI, GVO. So we got. Let's look at UXIN. Let's look at BTC. UXIN shares short are 7 million. Short interest is 5 million, but it was 8 million. And it was 4 million. And so it's the same. Who knows? It's the same. And then you got GBTC right here. Look, they have tabs on it. Canadian regulators may review terms. GBTC. Submit. How come it doesn't have the short interest, sons of bitches? Don't have it. Fuck. Oh well. But it's 389 by 90. Like it here. See the little suck out? They're doing a shiner. I'm gonna go 392, 394, 396, and $4. Right there, do a shiner. Shining trade play. What else we got? Oh yeah, I gotta send out the newsletter. GBTC and UXIN. GBTC and UXIN. Get it out in the swing. I'm going to take a picture of the GBTC. This is the new chart pattern, guys. Good looking good. GBTC. Fixing up the newsletter, folks. So the symbol is GBTC. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, it's called. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Basically, my rationing is, dude, I think Bitcoin's going up. Either buy Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin goes higher now. And either you have to own Bitcoin or this stuff. We have traded this stock 5 times. 4, 5. Now it's the lowest we could ever buy it. A gift from the crypto gods. Buy it this way. Here we go. Entry number 1. Buy here at 390 and below. Entry number 2. Buy 2 times more at 390 to 95. Entry 3. Buy 3 times more at $3.99 and $4. Looking for it to touch 411 and go right to 420. magic weed number. Ah, yes. If lower, wait until 370 and an email from me. But I don't think it. So that's that. The one under that was UXIN. Let's look. You also have to buy when it's 330. Look at the bid. There's 1 million shares on the bid. What's it called? UXIN Limited. We've traded this one before. UXIN Limited. Working on my newsletter on the other screen. UXIN. I think we got a winner here. Buy low, sell high. Risk, reward. Dip, rally. This one, entry number 1 here at 335 to 337. Entry number 2, we go 2 times as much at 340 to 45. If lower, wait until $3 and an email from me. If entry number 3, buy 3 times as much at 447 plus. Looking for it to blast. Looking for it to blast through 350 plus. That's my move on that one. That's that one. That's that one. Wow. So this is the February 5th, 2019 MOJO Swing newsletter. New picks. What was it? UXIN and GBT. Right there. Time-wise, it's 3. Whoops. Gotta get this out so that my people can go. 3:45 on Tuesday. I'll show it to you when it comes in my mailbox too. You can be part of this newsletter. You would get this if you were a subscriber. And it's going out now. Send schedule. Done. That's it. My newsletter's out. What's the stock? It's 336 by 337. The other one is 387 by 388. And then we'll see what they are tomorrow and stuff. MNGA 73. See, right back up from 60. It jumped right back up to 73. GVO from 47 right back up to 51, 52. See, no problem. Let's look at the eugasms. 31.33 on you gasms. Yeah, Renteria in the room. Look at you, baby. Morning. It's my man. There. Oh, let's see. I got one of them. Gray. I got a lot of them too. Let's move this over here. Dude, see you soon, big man. Alrighty, what else we got? You guys. DWT, I had it this morning at 880. Low is 896. I had it at 880. Sold it too early. Tops, I think, is going to make a run. Top ships, see the pattern? Same pattern. Very, very low risk. Huge reward. Dry ships, same thing. Look at DCIX. Diana container ships, same thing. Beautiful. These are the next ones to run. Mark my words. Diana, GLBS. Next one to run is these stocks. Sino, global shippers. Sino already making its first green right here. Pixis already making its, see? There you go. First one. Pixis International. Starting the move for the bunch. AMRS is 580. Look. Dudes, AMRS is 580. Imagine owning 50,000 shares at 3 and you're up 150,000 in that stock. Badass, right? Got some people that did that. I did that. One day I will do that because I'm the guy that picks these things. One day I'll have a fund. I'll have 50,000 shares of every one of my picks. Every other day, one of them is going to go up like that because they do. It's sick. 577. Look, MNGA's moving. See, 274, 275. Look at the move on MNGA coming up out of this little thing right there. See that? Going to go 76 all the way up to 80 right there. Easy. And they did a suck out shiner right here. See it? Shiner suck out. Same thing. Here's the shiner, boys. It's doing it now. What's up, buddy? I'm doing my show. I'm doing my show, buddy. I'm doing the Mojo show. Hey, what's going on? I don't, you're in your, no, I think you should come back in a little while. Okay. Cool. See that? You got sucked out right there and you're starting to go up higher. It's going to go here and go there. See, they're already putting the buys into it. I know what I got going on. Told you. So that's that one. Where's my others? AMRS, 74 on AMRS. Gotta write it in my book. I think I still have a couple of shares in this other portfolio. Right here, check it out. AMRS, 515, 520, 525, 540. Sold it way too early. Let's see where I closed it. Ay, 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 ski maniski. All right, son of... My target on you guys, 55. Stop loss is 30. Up, up. What else we got? We're gonna buy those 240. See these warrants, APNW, these warrants are trading. Look, when warrants trade, the common usually follows. Look, Applied DNA Sciences and Applied DNA. Remember this little one, guys. Keep an eye on that sucker. Applied DNA, that's what happened with Blink and the Blink warrants. BLNK. Right here, 223. See them? On these days right here, those days, these warrants moving. Look, these are the warrants. GEVO warrants. Look, someone's buying them. GEVNW. See, they're 3 cents now. Someone bought them at 2 yesterday, 20,000. Now they bought 5,000 more at 3. Someone's buying these warrants, bro, for a reason. Because I think it's going higher. You guys, I don't want it to pop. I want it to come down, man. I want it to come down, dude. I want it to come down. Because I like buying it when it's down, not when it's up. I like buying things when they're down. So I could sell them when they're up. And I scale in cost basis beautifully when they're going down. Like when it's going down, I like it. I tap it here. If I like it at 40, I'll tap it. If it goes lower to 20, I'll just tap it again. And if it goes lower to 31, I'll just tap it again. And my average will be like 3 little tiny tips at like 31.25. And then I'll just come in and I'll punch it in the face with the same position I just bought. And I'll own it at 31.18. And when it goes back to 40, I'll be up instead of everybody break even. That's how I do it. It's so easy. Can't rush. And you can't pay $5 every time you buy 100 shares. I pay on a per share basis. So I'm paying like a nickel. I pay $5 for 1,000, but I could do 100 shares 10 times to get that 1,000. Look, see, I told you UXIN's going up. Look, 338 by 339. Right back up. Told you, dude. Wait till you see the stock fly tomorrow or the next day. They come out with news. In a base. Where's the other one in a base? AMTX. Here's the other one. AMTX at $1. It's $1.15 by 16. Look at this one was in the base too. Breaking out 2 days in a row on the Mojo right there on 61,000 shares. I've been talking about the stock since 95 cents. With Amyris at $3. Watch my video from 2 days ago. Right there. Look at my Twitter. Right there on the Twitter. Look, I'm on Twitter. Everyone's there. I got a bunch of impressions. Look at that because I'm online. Haven't been online in a little bit. All of a sudden, boom, Mojo's online. Everybody likes that. I'll show you right here, man. Here's the day trading show right here. Right here. It's the show. Fuck. See, I did the amethyst. I did all this good stuff, dude. See? There's a GEVO, amethyst right here, AMRS. I did a little comparison the other day between the two of them right here. Where is that? GEVO, MNGA, GEVO, Codex, MNGA, plug. PCG, OCX, Whirlpool. I did it last week. Amyris. I did it last week. What is it? All right, let's go to my YouTube. Check out that video. See, that's it. Show you my research right here. Here's where I
renewable, how it's going to be growing and everything's turning green.
This is Amyris.
Renewable fuels and biochemical company focus on the production of advanced.
I spoke about all of them.
Some funny.
Amyris, and Gevo.
Through the acquisition, they do exactly what Gevo does. Through their facilities making ethanol and renewable jet diesel and biodiesel. It's the money, boys.
It's the money.
$1.70, $1.60 a gallon. There's the board, and this is the U.S. federal renewable mandate of biofuel, MTX, right here.
And AMRS. See it at $3.19, down to 20 cents. See it?
Facebook's up 21 points. Gevo traded 14 million shares, and it's high of 425. Well, that's a nice one. And
see, AMTX, it's $1. See it?
And this is Amadeus, AMTX, right here. $1 by $1.
Now it's $1.20.
Facebook's up 21 points. And I did some more ethanol stuff. Earnings and ethanol, and that's it on X. The movement. This one also. Same pattern. Why is this one working?
They're all the patterns.
Range of $3, and should just pattern.
Guys, this is a great video, man. I should rewatch this one again. You guys is 34 there. Wow. 34 on you guys there, dude. Wow. You guys now, and there's Amyris 120. Amyris right there. 544. Oh, look at the pattern, boys. I like top ships. I think that one's going to go. Like that. That's about it. Gevo's 51 by 52. Amyris is 44 by 45. Tops is there. UXIN's 36 by 37. 50-minute, perfect. Quad bottom. NBEV till right. You guys 3160. Last minute. $31.60. Ooh, MNGA got huge size on the bid. 126. Big buyer in there on MNGA right here. That's it, folks. Bing, 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 bing. It's gonna end. That's it. Market's closed. MNGA. They bought all the ass at the end of the day right there. Those are all gone. AMRS closed at 545. Amazing. Look at the 15-minute chart on MNGA. I mean on Amyris. Evo closed 50 by 55, kind of where it did yesterday. UXIN closed the same. Dry ships closed very nicely. They tricked everyone. They're going to suck everyone out tomorrow who lost all in today. I had no patience. Top ships, same thing. Top ships should be $1 very soon. Oh, Zynga's moving up. New high on Zynga in the last 15 minutes. What are they doing, earnings or something? Gonna go through 460. Zynga is. Shippers used to be your thing, huh? Yeah, maybe they'll come back and be your thing. We'll make it, and we own it down here before they even left the dock. All right, that's a nice day today, guys. Hopefully the Bitcoin's gonna rain down. Told you, look, Bitcoin's 90 by 91 now. Firmed up on that bid to 90. Going back over $4. Told you I was a good buy, boys. Good buy for you guys. Down there, what, 83, 84, 85? You thank the Mojo on that. I got my boys here. Boys. What's going on, boys? Written shit. Got it, Mike D. Thank you for being part of the team, kid. What else we got going on? Got it, boys. Everybody have a great night, peaceful night, relaxing night. We'll pick it up tomorrow, do the same thing. If you ever want to become a subscriber and join the Mojo Show and become a member of my chat room and get my picks and watch my screen and make money with me each day, boom, mojodaytrading.com, guys. Until then, peace. Keep it on profitable, boys. Girls, later.
Afraid of you.